Welcome. Today we're diving into adverbs, those small words that pack a punch in how we describe actions. We'll explore what they do, how they work, and some quick ways to spot and use them. Let's get started and see how adverbs can sharpen our language. Today we're focusing on adverbs, those little words that add color and detail to how actions happen. You'll see 5 sentences here, each with a blank where an adverb should go. Your goal is to fill in those gaps with words that fit naturally, but also bring something fresh and interesting. Think about how someone sings, explains, runs, speaks, or solves something, and choose adverbs that make those moments vivid and memorable. Let's get creative with language. On this slide, we're focusing on adverbs, those words that add detail to our sentences. The task is to sort them into 3 groups: how, when, or where. Some adverbs describe how something happens, like quickly or carefully. Others tell us when, like yesterday or soon. And some point to where, such as outside or upstairs. This exercise helps us understand the different roles adverbs play in giving our language more color and precision. Let's take a closer look at how these words fit into each category. Let's take a closer look at these adverbs. They all describe different things: how, when, or where something happens. Our task is to sort them into 3 groups. Some tell us how an action is done, like quickly or carefully. Others tell us when, like today or yesterday. And some tell us where, like upstairs or outside. This simple exercise helps us understand how adverbs add detail and clarity to our language. It's a key step in mastering how we communicate. Today, we're focusing on bringing action to life with verbs and adverbs. You'll find 2 lists here, one full of verbs like run, jump, and sing, and another packed with adverbs like mysteriously, fiercely, and tenderly. Your task is to mix and match these words to write 6 sentences. This exercise helps us explore how adding just the right adverb changes the whole feeling of a verb, making our writing more vivid and expressive. Let's get creative. Today, we're focusing on making simple sentences more vivid and engaging. We have a few straightforward examples, like walking to school, finishing homework, or a dog barking. Our goal is to add ambitious, interesting adverbs that bring these actions to life. Think about how the story changes when we describe how someone walks, speaks, or eats. This exercise helps us sharpen our writing and make every word count. Let's see how much more dynamic these sentences can become. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.